Dave, just looking at adding and subtracting them? What words of wisdom do we use when we add and subtract decimals? This should be a pretty simple review for you. It is to do what when you add and subtract decimals? You have to do what? Ariel? No, you simply line them up. That's not the case with multiplication, so for those of you that get stuck into some sort of a rut, you just need to line up the decimals. So for example, if you have 4.2 plus 12, when I add those together, I have to line up the decimals, in which case somebody will say, but there's no decimal in 12, to which somebody else will say, yes, there is. If a number doesn't have a decimal, the decimal goes where, Calvin? Right after at the end of it. So lining up the decimals, you know, you can do this how you want. Usually put the bigger number on top. So 12 point, the decimals are going to fall on that line. This is 4.2. Adding them together, go ahead and fill in the empty spots with 0 there. Well, 4.2 plus 12 is, decimal goes in that same line in your answer, 16.2. Everything gets lined up. 11.46 minus 3.6. You do that problem. 11.46. Decimals all get lined up on that. Minus 3.6. Fill in your 0. 0 from 6. Decimal goes on that line. 14 from that. Looks like 7.86. This is not very tough stuff, I would think, right? We did this many times before. Anybody think they'll struggle with that? Please make sure to line them up. That's pretty much today's